In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to import segmented sales accounts into your AlignMix file. And what does segmented actually mean? Well, segments are just different customer groupings. Some companies classify clients differently. So you can have gain, build, defend accounts, or for example, if you sell energy drinks, you might have different customer groups like convenience stores, gas stations, big box retailers, corporate offices, and then you can map them as different icons on your map. If you import data without a segmentation, all of your icons will appear as the same little blue box on the map. So I will show you the two differences as we do these imports. So now let's go to my Excel file so you can see what that Excel file will look like before we import it. So here you can see a basic CRM export where we've got the account ID, the name, street address, the home zip code for these accounts, and also a segmentation. In this example, these accounts will be segmented by A, B, C, and D, and we also have some numeric data that we will import. So now let's minimize this and start the import into this AlignMix file. We click on Import, Import Your Data, select that file for import, and AlignMix will show you the first worksheet in that workbook, which is exactly what we need to import. So now we simply drag and drop our sections from the left to the corresponding section on the right, and we'll pull in Street 2, we'll pull in the city, state, the zip code, and now segmentation goes to segment. So if you didn't import with a segmentation, you would leave this section blank. These accounts are assigned to territories, and we'll pull in these three numeric data sets. Oop, didn't grab them all. Assigned to a sales rep, and we also have some text-based data. So now we click on Next, Next again, and that import starts and then finishes, and then you click on the Finish button. And right away you will see a legend appear in the top right, and those are our A, B, C, D accounts. If I zoom into the map, like Kansas City, and I lasso that area, you will see that the account segments appear here, and we also have the data sets summed up for that lassoed area. So this is what it looks like if you import your accounts with a segmentation. So now let's reset and import that same data set but without that segmentation column. Here I have a brand new file without any accounts imported. So this time we are going to import that same account list, but we're not going to import the segmentation data set. So to do that import, again, we go to File, Import, and Import Your Data. Select that same file for import, and just like before, our data columns will appear here on the left side, and we simply drag and drop them to the corresponding section on the right. ID goes to ID, name goes to name, street to street, street 2 to street 2, city to city, state to state, home zip code goes to zip code, and we're skipping the segmentation. These accounts are assigned to a territory. We also have sales rep assignments. Three numeric data sets go to numeric data, and our text-based data goes to text data. Click Next, get that summary, click Next again, and then we click on Finish. And now you will notice that there is no account legend in the top right. And that's because without an account segmentation, you only have non-segmented accounts. So if I zoom into that same area, into Kansas City, you will see blue squares representing all of those imported accounts. If I lasso this area here and let go, you still get a summary of everything that you've lassoed, but you'll see here in the bottom left of this pop-up that these accounts are no segment, so they don't have a segmentation. So that's a big difference. So if you import with a segmentation, you will actually have an account legend and different icons representing your different customer groups. If you import without the account segmentation, each icon will be identical for any type of account segment that you may have because you didn't pull in that segmentation field during the import. And there you go. You've just learned how to import your segmented sales accounts into AlignMix.